Yes, if I had subject, if I choose English, then I must be fluency in English so that I can teach student. So that's why I'm here to learn and speak English fluently.
Wake up, it's a lovely day and welcome to a new day. It's my pleasure and privilege to be here. Without having any formality, I would like to pay a word of thanks to our director and mentor of this cafe, who is Tehseen Raza sir.
Very delightful evening. You are watching Ambika Pandey, a gold medalist, silver medalist, as well as bronze, sub trophies in debate competition, dance, singing, and some extra curriculum activities.
स्टेज के फ्रंट वाले पार्ट में जाके थोड़ा लीन हो सकते हैं ऑडियंस से कनेक्ट होने के लिए. क्लियर? मतलब somewhere up to what extent you can control yourself, ये चीजें हैं. वो जो रिदम वो पैटर्न में स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना, आई गेव यू ये एंड यू आर डूइंग दिस, जब ये वहीं से आपको एकदम जे कर में जाना है, यही से उठ जाना है और आप आगे थोड़ा और जा रहे हैं, उठा रहे हैं. क्लियर? कहीं कहीं पे बहुत ज्यादा स्लो हो गया. एक होता है बोलना और एक होता है इम्पैक्टफुली बोलना. ये दो अलग अलग चीजें हैं. बोलते आप भी हैं और बोलते हैं प्रधानमंत्री भी हैं, लेकिन किसी पे गाली मिलता है और किसी पे ताली मिलता है. समझ रहे बात को? Is it clear?
I would like to thank our mentor, Mr. Tehseen Raza sir, for giving me a wonderful opportunities to lead the class, to represent the class, and to say and to express whatever I think. Okay? So, sir, thank you for giving me this lovely opportunity.
You get the problem.
I mean to say that there must be some supervision. Okay, जैसे आप बोल रहे हो तो ओके सब जगह ओके, लेकिन वो एक सुपरविजन होना चाहिए. आपको कोई बताने वाला भी होना चाहिए कि कहाँ गलत है कहाँ सही है, इसके बजाय आपको क्या यूज़ करना है और ये सारी चीज़ें. ठीक है, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आप इस एक्सरसाइज को कीजिए. आप लिखे पहले प्रॉपर्ली, उसके बाद उस चीज़ को बोलो. कुछ भी कोई भी पास्ट इवेंट को आप उठाएं. आपका प्रेजेंट में कोई इशू नहीं है, पास्ट वाले टॉपिक्स में ज़्यादा एरर्स होता है, तो पास्ट वाला कोई भी मैटर उठा लीजिए. लाइक
See, in part of news that women are not safe in India, I want to highlight some sort of example. In Manipur, after that Begusarai, Rajasthan, Haryana, as well as in South India.
Hello Shara, I am Sakshi Mishra, a student of English Cafe, and as you know, everything has both sides, advantages and disadvantages. So if you, in my perspective, I preferred Ayurvedic for long period of time, and I prefer. So why are you waiting for the face? That situation.
If a person is suffering from dialysis,
Yeah.
okay, and he wants to cure with the Ayurvedic process, then is it possible or not?
He does not want, because then there is only a way, that is allopathy. Allopathy is it's about the quickly treatment recovered.
Environments are concerned, I need sort of face-to-face interactions and personal guiding, and also I need a studying environment.
For any of the job in today's world, if you don't know English, then you are not hired by any of the HRs. But if you know English and you don't have degree and you don't have that capability of working over there, then also you are hired just because of the English language. This is the main factor.
Hello.
I've seen the world.
You don't know 1 + 1 = 2.
Oh, you know that. Everyone knows that 1 + 1 is equal to 2. Right? You are a neat aspirant, okay?
Yeah. It would be a little problematic for you once you move towards Indian Army. And yours, please stand up. Can you please introduce yourself from there itself? Please take a seat. May I know a little briefing of yours? उतना नहीं आता ना के बराबर. चलिए, बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आप एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ को.